Hello student, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 12th class and today's topic mobility. Mobility is belong to the mobile charge carrier. Okay. So electron mobility is defined as the drift velocity of electron per unit electric field. As you know, drift velocity is the average speed of free electron when electron move under the influence of external electric field. The symbol of mobility is mu, so it means mu equal to drift velocity. You can take the mode of drift velocity to take the positive sign of drift velocity and Vd upon E. Okay, where E is the electric field and Vd is the drift velocity of free electron. Unit of mobility as you know, the unit of speed drift velocity is meter per second and the unit of electric field is volt upon meter, because as you know E equal to V upon L, where L is the length of conductor. So it means the unit is meter square volt into second. And the dimension of mobility equal to the dimension of velocity L t minus 1 and the dimension of E. As you know, E equal to F upon Q, force upon charge. So ml t minus 2 numerical charge is 80. Mean this is equal to ml t minus 2 upon 80. Okay, it means AL t power plus 1 and minus 1 cancel each other. So AL upon ml t minus 2. Okay, it means m inverse L cancel by L, this L cancel by this L. So ml minus 1 A for T2 m minus 1 A T2 is the dimension of mobility. Okay, now as you know, mu equal to Vd upon E. Mu equal to Vd upon E. Okay, or the value of Vd upon Me. This value of Vd, because as you know Vd is equal to A tau and the value of A is equal to F upon M tau and the value of force for free electron E upon M tau. Okay, so E cancel by E, it means mu equal to E tau upon M. It means mobility is directly proportional to the relaxation time of free electron. Okay, so we can derive another formula for mobility, because as you know I equal to N E A Vd और A BD equal to mu E. Okay, so I upon A equal to NE mu E, and that is equal to J equal to NE mu E. Or as you know, J equal to sigma E. It is the relation between current density and conductivity of free electron. It means J equal to rho E equal to N E mu E. So E cancel by E. It means mu equal to sigma upon N E. So this relation is so that the mobility of mobile charge carriers is basically depend upon the conductivity of the mobile charge carrier. Okay, so this is the relation between mobility and conductivity. Okay, or as you know, the mobility is belong. These are the mobile charge carrier belong to for metal. As you know, in metal are basically conductor. So free electron start to move at a small potential, but this positive charge carrier is too heavy with respect to free electron. It means the positive charge remain at rest position, but free electron start to move at a small electric potential for the influence of small electric field. So in metals only free electrons are free charge carrier. But in electrolyte, as you know, electrolyte like HCl, H consists positive charge and Cl consists negative charge. So in electrolyte, positive and negative ions are mobile charge carrier, because as you know, when there is an electric field applied to applied electric field, we can give positive charge to this plate and negative charge to another plate. So electric field applied positive to negative direction, it means for the negative ion start to move towards positive electrolyte, and the positive ion start to move towards negative. That is positive. Okay, it means electrolytes components consist of negative and positive ion as a mobile charge carrier. In metal, there is free electron only mobile charge carrier, but in electrolyte, positive and negative ion are mobile charge carrier. In semiconductor, as you know, in semiconductor, electrons and holes both are mobile charge carrier, because like as silicon, there is 4 electron connected to the covalent bond. When covalent bond will break, then if electron leave its place, then there is a empty place remain in the place of free electron. So this empty hole is known as hole, or this is free electron. So it means semiconductor are in semiconductor, electron and holes are mobile charge carrier. Or as you know, generally as a normal temperature and pressure, gas behave like insulator, but at low pressure and high voltage, gases can ionized, or due to ionized, positive ion and free electron behave as a free mobile charge carrier in gases at low pressure and high voltage. Okay, so I hope you understood. So for conductor, the current only due to free electron. Okay, it means I equal to NEA VD. As you know, NEA VD equal to mu E. So that is equal to E. It is the value of current in conductor. But in free electron, but in a semiconductor, for semiconductor, a total current due to the electron and holes. So the value of I equal to NEA mu E plus NEA mu H E. Okay, it means I equal to NEA E mu E plus mu H. Okay. Oh, as you know, I equal to I upon A equal to NE mu E plus mu H, and that is equal to J, and J equal to sigma E, so it is with NE mu E plus mu H. So E cancelled by E, mean sigma equal to NE mu E plus mu H in case of semiconductor. And that is current. Okay, I hope you understood this relation. The remaining topic of this chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you very much.